Yeah. I seen a lot of shit I shouldn't have, but never forgot it though. Brothers on the corner selling crack like it was nada though. Walk inside my kitchen, baking soda all up on the floor. Police banging on the door while gripping the 44. I was just a youngin', but this type of shit I seen before. Y'all see a white boy, but my daddy a Negro, half-breed.
A wise man once told me, "What is it like to live a day with you, Mike Cella?" Well, I'm about to tell this wise man what it's like. It's pretty crazy, actually. The main part about my life is me just out in this town riding my dirt bike. And, well, that's the main part of my life because that's something nobody can take away from me. I wake up 5:40 every single day in the morning and I go to school. I mean, that's not what I want to do with my life. I don't want to go to school, but I have to do it. So my days are kind of shitty until 2:15, or not 2:15, 1:15 when I get out of school. And then that's when the fun starts. That's when Mike Cella has his let's go moments. I wake up 5:30, walk into the shower, still half sleeping, but you know, nothing I can do about that. So I go into the shower, and then once I'm in the shower, I sleep a little bit longer, and then I get ready for school, and I go to school. I hop on the bus, 6:10, and I'm gone. I'm off to school. School, A block is wonderful. I kind of sleep half the block, which I feel bad about because the teacher's awesome. And then B block, I'm still half sleeping. And then C block, I'm kind of awake, but I have computers and I don't want to listen to her bitch and everything. So I'm still kind of asleep during that. And then D block comes around, I have history. And I'm like, I like history because I got some friends in history. And the work's really easy and I can, you know, knock it out pretty simple. So I get through history and I play Snake probably the entire class. And then I got health with Miss Pleasant and I got to listen to that all bullshit. And then I've got math and then I got to listen to Miss Galvin. Oh, you cheated on this test, rah, rah, rah. Well, whatever, I don't care. And then H block comes around, study hall with Miss Soaps. Second, or I would say Mr. Soaps and Mr. Scavato are probably the two best teachers in the school. So then I got a H block study hall and I do nothing then. Of course I don't do my homework, obviously, right? And then after H block study hall comes around, it's 1:45 and we're about to leave school and I'm hyped. Bell rings, we leave school, alright? Everybody heard that. Everyone knows that. Trying not to get muddy. But yeah, bell rings, we leave school, right? I come home, walk all the way up my long ass driveway. Once I get all the way up the driveway, there's one thing I got on my mind. I'm gonna ride my dirt bike. Alright? It's freedom. I own that freedom, okay? And the feeling I have when I'm flying down a dirt road, flying up a trail, running from a cop, have an old man on my ass, no matter what. It's a feeling that I have the right to own, and that's why I love it. I don't know what it is, but the best feeling I ever have on a dirt bike isn't running from a cop. And yeah, that's pretty a sick adrenaline rush, but the best feeling I have is going to the highest point in Ellington, Connecticut, where I live. The highest point in Ellington, Connecticut. Now that's something else. So here's a video I'm gonna share with you of me and my good bro Ethan riding all the way up to the highest point in Ellington, and I really hope you enjoy. Other people and a lot of Google mapping and like bicycle, just like on my normal bike. See, so down there that's a snip, and then this is the highest point in Ellington. This rock right here marks it. So it's pretty fucking dope. So Mr. Scavato, I hope that you have enjoyed watching my fun times at Snipsick Lake in Ellington and going up to the highest point in Ellington and realizing, oh boy. How's it going? Don't call the cops. Of course she doesn't wave back. Fucking assholes. Anyways, where was I? Oh yes, okay. So I hope you kind of understand now more of the adrenaline rush and the freedom that I feel when I'm on my dirt bike, and how nobody can take that away from me, and how, I mean, sure, people can try, but they're not going to get too far. And as much as people want to take that fun away from you, they're not going to get it. Because when you truly love something in life, you pursue it. And it's yours. It's yours. And it's yours to love. That sounds really good. And I don't really know, like, what I like this pretty